Microneedling is just a device where the needles vibrate, and it's the physical vibration of the needles that abrades the skin in a controlled fashion. The top of the skin, the epidermis, breaks, and then you essentially traumatize the skin at 1 millimeter, 2 millimeter, or 3 millimeter depth. And just the act of doing that increases the collagen content of the skin. Now, there are multiple variations of microneedling. You can go to different depths depending on what you're trying to do. If you're trying to soften up a scar, for example, then you have to go deeper with the microneedles. You can incorporate microneedling with adding PRP, or platelet-rich plasma, or platelet-rich fibrin, PRF, and then you have spread a lot of stem cells back into that abraded skin, so it helps it heal faster and increase the collagen content. And also PRP or PRF is a huge anti-inflammatory or antioxidant, and it will also help to diminish skin blemishes or sunspots and things like that. Morpheus is actually a device that has a lot of needles on the surface, and those needles penetrate the skin, and then they exchange electrical energy between the needles. So essentially, it forms a spider web of electricity underneath the skin, which warms up the skin from inside, kind of like shrink wrapping the skin. And so that also will help to increase the collagen content of the skin. And you can also incorporate that with PRP or PRF. And you can also incorporate that with fillers and things like that. However, you have to do the fillers afterwards because the PRP will actually warm up the skin enough to where it will metabolize some of the filler.